Puilano Dipal Kaham Tini Jin TTAD sa hapon ibo hakte saklai mo tai logi bo tongo Jini press meet khlai thani Jini honorable EM Barangana Rajesh Tripura te Jini honorable MDC Jini South Zone ni chairman Barangana Rajesh Tripura te Jini sports and youth affairs department ni Jini principal officer Barangana Omordin Deborma Puilano saklai mo tongnai Jini TTAD sa hapon ni Jini Bobagrana belakan hambai Omake initiative ka ham nawai Jini sikla salen oti dolman bagi te Jini honorable CM honorable deputy CM te jotto EM te jotto Jini MDC jotto ni support by Jini Tripura Football League success klaiman ka te amoni final match nai 15 tarikh 15 tarikh ni duita tampro Khumulung Stadium bo thungnai rok ni bising dol ni wngkha Jini Gumoti district ni team by Jini West Zone borok batelai tai third position tongrukha eba thungai kuplai ka third position bagi Jini dolai okay jago Jini special guest ni phai majak phaine Jini Indian football team ni captain former captain Mr. Bajun Bhutia phai Jini Pandano masani phaine tai bo tongai Jini Hani Bobagra Maharaja Sri Pradeep Vikramaniko Deborma bogologi tongai tai jotto Jini Tripura Hasen Lukorokno khakham tai jotto Jini thungrung eba dolni Jini players no hani khakham baroni bagi Jini TTAD sa hapon ni khakham yapar horo nar kaham gulungai practice khlai final match narok tai bonong kurung gugno phonodi tai first prize tongnai Jini kuplai rono 3 lakh tongnai second prize tongnai 1.5 lakh third prize tongnai 75,000 ngai opanda phai majak phagi hastin jo to Jini thung hamjak tongnai Jini jo to lukorno khabelam sogo Jini TTAD se hapangni hambai. First of all, I would like to thank my dear friends, and today we conduct a press meet on behalf of TTADC. Then first of all, I'm really thankful to Bobagra, then our honorable CM, honorable deputy CM, all EMs and all MDCs for their support and guidance, which have made the Tripura Football League successful. And the final match of the league will be played on 15/12/2021, where our former Indian national football team captain Sri Bajun Bhutia and Bobagra will grace the special occasion. Final match Gumoti versus West Zone. I invite everyone to come and be part of the exciting match and occasion. Thank you everyone. Management, Jini medical team thum Jini volunteers naipoli Jini pandang naithur nai on bagi Jini jotto bedek ni eba department bukhakti Jini kaisa committee khlai jaka o committee bo Jini bo EM bo MDC chairman sibo tongnai president sibo tongnai abo jotto committee bukhakti abo kaisa phone khlai jaka
apuna kari final match ni sala kuno waktu hai announce jamung hai ka announcement of khlai na abai bo hai kina
acha obon ke Jini awi mung ta tabung nong ibo khakti Jini media rong bukhakti ba awi mung tongnai ta abon ya bulo Jini ICAT department bukhakti abo tongnai abon ya bulo Jini resam masang Jini culture team bor ko tongnai ngai lama Jini flex banner over bochen theba janai